Real quick, if you ever Googled how to make money online and walked away more confused than when you started, this video is going to be for you. I'm going to break down the exact digital marketing roadmap for 2026, and I'm going to break it down so simple that a middle schooler could follow it. I'm also going to show you why many people fail at this because nobody ever showed them the right process. So stay with me for the next 15 minutes. By the end, you're going to see a completely different picture of what's possible for you and your family in 2026. Let me guess your situation. You probably work hard. I mean, who doesn't? The economy is completely insane. And most likely you are a blue collar worker just like I am. Whatever it is, you show up every single day, you give it everything you've got. And at the end of the month, after bills, groceries, rent, or the mortgage, there's barely anything left, maybe even nothing at all. You got all this going on, and then when you go on the internet and see people online talking about making money from their phone, and you thought, okay, that's cool for them, but that's not for me. I don't have the hours to sit in front of a computer. I've got kids. I've got responsibilities. I can't afford to waste time on something that might not even work. I hear you, and I want you to know that that feeling is valid because most of what's being sold online right now is a complete waste of time. You got dropshipping, crypto gambling, trading bots, courses that have zero support. But here's what I also know. The internet changed the game completely. It doesn't care what neighborhood you grew up in, and it doesn't care how old you are. If you have a phone, the right message, and the right system, you can build income that works while you sleep. And that is exactly what this roadmap is going to be about. Now, before we get into the roadmap, let me explain what digital marketing actually is because most people have it wrong. Okay, so think about it like this. You know how fast food has commercials that make you want that food even when you're not hungry? That's marketing. They're not forcing you to buy anything. They're just putting the right message in front of you at the right time, and then you decide you want to eat that. You see, digital marketing is that same thing, except it's happening online. It's happening on YouTube, on Facebook, on Instagram. And the beautiful thing in 2026, you can be the one getting paid, not some corporation, but you. Here's the simple way of looking at this. Digital marketing has three pieces. Number one, it starts with content. That's you showing up online, talking, sharing something valuable with your audience, just like I'm doing right now. And then there's number two, which is traffic. That's people finding your content. YouTube does this for free. Every video you post is like a little worker out there 24/7 finding people who need what you already have. And then the final part is number three, having an actual offer, something that solves a real problem for real people, something that they actually want. So it's content, traffic, offer. Write those three down because that's basically the whole game right there. Now, here's where most people mess up because they try to build all three from scratch at the same time with no real help. They don't have no system and they don't have a blueprint that they could follow that's going to teach them how to implement this stuff. That's like trying to build a house with no blueprint and no tools. You might figure it out eventually, but you're going to waste a lot of time and money getting there. That's why the roadmap I'm about to share with you is built around something different. It's all about automated systems and done for you digital assets, which we're going to get into all that in a minute. All right, so here's a roadmap. I'm going to break it down in three stages, and this is going to be designed for people with real lives and real responsibilities because I don't want you building something that you can't implement because of lack of time. All right, so stage one is going to be all about picking your lane. And this is where a lot of people waste a lot of months, sometimes even years, because they start jumping from thing to thing, implementing different strategies. In this day and age, you don't have to be everywhere. You do not need to master every platform. You need one lane where you can really focus and put all your energy into. And I got to admit, I struggle with this myself because I'm also on Facebook, I'm on TikTok, I'm on YouTube. There's a lot of things that I'm doing. So I'm telling you this, but I also am telling that I struggle with this myself. But I want you to think of it like a highway. If you're trying to drive in 5 different lanes at the same time, eventually you're going to crash. But if you just pick one lane and you stay in it, eventually you're going to get to your destination. Now, for parents and working people, the best lane in 2026 is the financial freedom and opportunity space. Every single person you know, they want more money. Every person you probably know, they want more time with their family. Those are problems that's never going to go away. The market is massive because The need is real and people are actively searching for solutions every single day. So your lane is going to be helping people discover a smarter way to learn, a way where you don't have to be an expert. You don't have to have a perfect story. You just have to be one step ahead of someone else and point them in the right direction. So it's pick your lane, stay in it, and that's going to be stage one. Now, stage number two is all about building your presence with content. And I know what you're thinking. I'm not a YouTuber. I'm not an influencer. I don't know how to make videos. But believe it or not, that's good because people don't want to hear from influencers. They want to hear from real people. They want someone who looks like them, people who sound like them, people who has been through what they're been through already. Here's the truth about content in this day and age. You don't need the fancy equipments. You don't need to have a studio. All you really need is a phone, some decent lighting, and something real to say. This could be talking head videos just like this one where it's just you talking directly to the camera. And those are one of the most powerful formats on the internet right now because people buy from people they know, like, and trust. And trust is built by showing up consistently and speaking honestly. You could also write a lot of your posts. Like if you're doing marketing on Facebook, written posts that you write yourself also bring a lot of trust in the marketplace where people are more open to buy from you. Here's the simple content formula for 2026. You could talk about the problems your audience has. A lot of people are struggling with money. They're stressing, time poverty, feeling stuck. You could talk about the mistakes people make trying to solve it. This could be wrong systems, bad programs, programs that have no real support. But then you always want to talk about the solution, and then that's how you could point them into the right direction. Now, if you do that like 3 times a week for like 60 days, I promise you, your life will not look the same because you're going to have more experience. You're going to have more confidence. So you're able to show up and be the authority in your space. And here's the thing a lot of marketers don't want to talk to you about because your content doesn't have to go viral to work. You don't need 1 million subscribers. You just need the right people seeing your videos. 100 people who are genuinely interested in what you're sharing is worth way more than 10,000 random viewers, and you don't have nothing to share with them that could better their life. So it's all about building your presence, showing up, being consistent, and that's going to be stage two. Now, this is the stage that starts to change everything. This is where the roadmap starts to get real. Stage three is all about plugging into an automated system with done-for-you digital assets. Let me break both of these down. First things first, what is an automated system? Think about a vending machine. You walk up, you put your money in, you press a button, and out comes your snack. The machine doesn't need a manager standing right there. The machine doesn't take breaks. It doesn't call in sick. It just works. An automated system in digital marketing works the same way. Someone sees your content, they click a link, that link takes them to a page that explains everything. They watch a video, they read some information, and then they make a decision. All of that happens without you being physically there. That means that you could be at work and the system is going to be working. You could be at your kid's soccer game and the system is still working. There's a lady in our community. She's a stay-at-home mom. And while she's at her kids' baseball games, her system is working and she's making like $1,400 and $900 days because the system is working. Also, while you sleep too, the system is going to be working because, like I said, if people find your content, you could be sleeping and they could go into your system and you could make money in your sleep like that. That's not some get rich quick fantasy. That is literally how online business works when it's set up correctly. Now, when it comes to done for you digital assets, what does that mean exactly? Because a digital asset is anything that can be delivered online without shipping anything. This can be an ebook, a video course, a training program, a membership, or any type of software out there. Unlike physical products, you don't ship anything. There's no inventory, there's no warehouse, and there's no overhead. Done for you means you didn't have to create it. Someone already built it. The product is already created. The sales page is given to you. The follow-up emails are given to you. The training is already proven to work. Your job is to simply connect people to it. Think about a real estate agent. They didn't build the house that they're selling, but they get paid when they connect the right buyer to the right property. It's the same concept. This is the most important part of the roadmap because without this, you're doing all the content, all of the work, and you have nothing to convert it into income. When you have an automated system and done for you digital assets behind your content, everything changes. Your content is no longer just videos. It's the front door to a business that runs without you having to be everywhere at once. Now, I want to be straight with you. Everything I just laid out, there's three stages: the automated system, the done for you assets. Most people spend 6 months to 2 years trying to build all of that on their own. They buy 10 different courses, they hire developers, they waste money on tools that don't connect. So they burn out and eventually quit. I know because I've talked to hundreds of people who went through exactly that. And that's why I want to give you a blueprint that breaks all of this down. This blueprint is built specifically for people like you who are working parents, blue collar workers, stay at home moms, people who don't have 40 hours a week to figure this out from scratch, but have real drive and real hunger to build something better for their family. Here's what makes this different from everything else out there. Number one, the system's already built. The automated funnel, the follow up, the sales process, it's all done. You plug in and you don't have to build from zero. Two, the digital assets are already created. High value training, a proven offer, professional materials, all of it is already given to you. You don't spend months creating the products. And number three, and this is the best part right here because you get to keep 100% of what you earn. This isn't one of those pyramid schemes where you have to recruit people. There's no recruiting involved in none of this, and you get to keep all the money that you make. When you make a sale, that money is yours. Number four, there's real mentorship. You know, a lot of programs out there, they don't teach you. There's no guidance. You're not buying a course and getting no support. There are real people in your corner helping you move forward. So this is the done for you model applied to a real opportunity, and it's designed to work alongside the roadmap I just gave you. So it's content, presence, automated system, all in one place. So here's what I want to leave you. You just got the digital marketing roadmap for 2026. Remember, there's three stages. You pick your lane, you build your presence, and you plug into an automated system with done for you assets. Listen, this roadmap works. It's working for regular people right now. People who 6 months ago were clocking in and clocking out, wondering if this was really all that there was. If something I said today clicked for you, if you're sitting there thinking, I want to know more about how this actually works, go grab the Freedom Formula Blueprint. The link is going to be in the description. It's free. It breaks down exactly how the system operates step by step, what the automated system looks like, what the done for you assets are, and what it looks like to get started, even if you've never done anything like this before. The link is going to be in the description below. Click it, go through it. There's no pressure. This is just the information laid out clearly so you can make a smart decision for yourself and for your family. Now, before you go, drop a comment right down below. Tell me which stage of the roadmap you're currently at. Are you in stage one? Are you in stage two or three? I read every single comment and I'll respond personally. If this video helped you, share with somebody who needs to hear it. Maybe a coworker, maybe a spouse, maybe a friend who's been grinding and looking for something different. I'll see you guys in the next one. Let's build something in 2026 that your family will thank you for.